Morning, very good morning, honorable present here. Today we are going to discuss the topic of compression molding process. The compression molding is the most common method to producing the thermoplastics material. The process can also be used for thermoplastics, but this is a less common method. The molding operation is very easy when compared to other method. First of all, a pre-weight charges of particles polymerized materials is placed in the lower half of the heated mold, and the upper half is the forced down. This case the metal is to be squeezed out to take on the required shape. The application of the heating and pressure accumulated the polymerization process. The thermoplastics is one of the cross-linked is completed. The final product, that means the solid object, can be ejected very easy. Suppose the material is high heat, means the taken out the time is increased. The molding temperature are used in the range of 130 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. The cyclic time may be a long, so it is desirable to have multi-cavity mold to increasing the production rate. The molding usually have a large projected area, so the closing force needed could be in the range of 100 to 500 tons and the pressure of 7 to 25 megapascal. The cavity pressure is needed. During the compression molding process, the charging of metal may be put into the mold either as a powder or a performed chopped materials. In the both the case of material is preheated to reduce the temperature difference between the upper mold and lower mold. Then finally the advantages: low initial cost, heavy plastics material can be molded, complex part